Listen, if your hair has refused to grow, this might be the video that changes everything because what I'm about to show you is the same simple spray that took my hair from thinning, fragile, and stagnant to fuller, stronger, and actually growing again. And what shocked me the most, it wasn't expensive, it wasn't complicated, it wasn't even a product from the store. It was something I made right here in my kitchen. If your edges are thinning, if your hair breaks every time you comb it, if you are tired of trying different products, just stay with me. Let me show you exactly how to make this spray the right way. For this recipe, you only need three powerful herbs: cloves, fenugreek, hibiscus, and of course clean water. Start by adding cloves into a clean pot. Cloves are amazing because they increase blood circulation to your scalp, and when blood flows properly, growth becomes easier. Next, add hibiscus. This is where the magic happens for softness and shine. Hibiscus also strengthens your root and prevents breakage. Hibiscus boosts shine, softness, and faster growth. Then add fenugreek seeds. These tiny seeds are rich in protein and nicotinic acid, perfect for fighting hair fall. Fenugreek reduces shedding and adds thickness to your hair. Moving on, add hot water to the ingredients or add cold water and place it on low heat. Please do not overboil this. We are not trying to kill the nutrients. Just let it simmer gently until the color changes. Once it turns a deep reddish brown, take it off the heat and let it cool completely. If you are using hot water, allow it to sit for 2 to 3 hours to soak. Guys, the smell is so good. Moving on, after 2 to 3 hours or after it has cooled down, strain it and pour into a clean spray bottle. This spray is lightweight, non-sticky, and perfect for daily or every other day use. You can also use it as a rinse if you wish. Here is how to use it so you actually see results. Spray directly on your scalp. Massage gently using your fingertips. Focus on thinning areas, especially your edges. Then spray lightly on your hair strands for softness. Massaging is key. It wakes up your follicles and helps the nutrients absorb better. With consistent use, you will notice less shedding, softer hair, and new baby hairs coming out, especially around your edges. The combination of cloves, hibiscus, and fenugreek is honestly one of the fastest natural growth blends I have used. Store this in the refrigerator and finish it within 7 days. You can always make a fresh batch. It's affordable and extremely effective. Before you go, I want to remind you of something important. Healthy hair takes patience, it takes gentleness, it takes consistency. Even if your progress slows at first, don't stop. Your hair is listening to everything you do. Give yourself time, give your scalp love, and trust the process. If you are currently struggling with shedding, breakage, or thinning edges, please don't be discouraged. We are not alone. Many of us have been there. I have been there too, and that is why I share these simple remedies because they really do work over time. So try this spray. Use it consistently for at least 2 weeks and pay attention to how your scalp feels, how your hair behaves, and how much softer it becomes. Little changes start from the inside, then they show at the outside. If you try this recipe, please come back and tell me how it worked for you. I love hearing your results. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video so more people can see it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of your hair and see you in my next video. Bye.